I would like to acknowledge the presence of the following honorable guests: Mrs. Mancha Avalos, Kiki, and President, and First Lady of Mandaluyong, Mrs. Cor Avalos, Kiki, and Founder, Mrs. Mary Jane Bendabel, Kiki, and Learning Center Administrator, guests, parents, classmates. Good afternoon, a warm welcome to each of you. I was blessed to be chosen as a top student for this batch. To God be the glory. It's a privilege to stand here and share to you what I have learned and experienced during my first days of school, and what I will bring with me as I enter the formal school, and what I will treasure when me and my classmates and beloved teachers part ways. With gratitude, I would like to acknowledge that my knowledge and wisdom comes from God. It is a gift that must be nurtured and shared. I thank God for having a loving mom and dad who support and encourage me,
Who supported
and encourage me in my journey of discovering new ideas and things.